Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Amazon Associates duplicate link policy compliance easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Amazon Associates account. Navigate to the Links and Banners section of the dashboard. Select Product Linking from the drop-down menu. Click on SiteStripe from the available options. Find the product you wish to link to on Amazon's website. Use the SiteStripe toolbar at the top of the page. Click on Get Link to generate your affiliate link. Copy the link provided by the SiteStripe. Next, log into your website or content management system. Locate the page or section where you want to place your affiliate link. Paste the copied affiliate link into the desired area. Now, ensure that the link is compliant with Amazon's duplicate link policy. Review your content to make sure the link is unique and relevant. Avoid using multiple affiliate links for the same product on a single page. If you have used the product's link previously, consider updating the existing reference instead. Once your changes are made, save the updates to your page. Finally, check your website to ensure the link functions correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.